This delivery took 11 minutes. And another order is already waiting. Today, I'll show you Seoul through a delivery rider's eyes. It's 9:17 in the morning, no orders yet. This is Anyang, a city just outside Seoul. Even after 9 a.m., traffic is still heavy. My first order comes in at 9:40. It's a stacked order, Krispy Kreme and Starbucks. Morning deliveries are often coffee, drinks, and pastries. This trip takes 12 minutes. Normally, it's closer to 5. Even after the morning rush, the station is still busy. There are people everywhere. It's a typical weekday morning. The second pickup is Starbucks. It's right across the street. Orders like these are usually ready quickly. Most of the time, they're already packed before the rider arrives. Traffic slowed things down today. The second delivery is completed at 10:16. Now it's night, it's 9:50 p.m. Delivery demand is usually much higher in the evening. A new order appears almost immediately. It's a single order from Burger King. This is one of the main roads in Anyang at 10 o'clock p.m. Many deliveries in Korea go to apartment complexes like this. Some contain thousands of households. This delivery is completed at 10:06 p.m. Another order is already waiting. This area is one of the main commercial districts outside Seoul. It feels surprisingly quiet tonight. This is downtown Anyang. This time, it's Korean BBQ. This is one of the main roads in the city. Many restaurants and bars are located here, but tonight, it feels much quieter than usual. Many people living alone live in areas like this. Buildings like these are very common in Korea. A lot of delivery orders end in neighborhoods like this. This delivery is completed at 10:24 p.m. Another order appears. This time, it's a bakery order. It's already past 10 p.m. The bakery is getting ready to close. Many bakeries in Korea stay open until around 10 at night. This time, we've arrived in another area where many people live alone. This delivery is over, but another order is already waiting. Somewhere else in Seoul, another rider is already moving. Seoul never really stops moving.